This amazing snowscape we've had. It's all going to melt today, but it's just simply beautiful here in Japan. And on here is snowscape in our little Japanese village. This walk, road's super icy, and house. Japanese houses, so pretty. An old house here. The snow on that roof is going to help bust it down, bring it down. I moved here, an old couple lived here. Now it's all empty, overgrown. An amazing pattern. Snow creates natural art. You know, look at this here. Look at that. And then the stark contrast when you come out here. And this is just ice. The road is just ice because it came down last night and then it all froze. It probably warmed up and froze with the cars on it. So it's just a layer of ice going on. And the clouds, the Japanese clouds are amazing. And the sun is right over there, right behind that cloud right there. And I think it's gonna melt everything here. And again, the amazing artwork that is created by this. Yeah. Clean off the windows here, help this elderly couple. They should always couple lives here. They're get their wipers cleaned off here, break off the snow. There you go. That's a Dow for you. Undo. Look at this artwork here. Dows help. See a problem, you help. Amazing. This artwork, nature's artwork. And this is a northerly wind. It's blowing that way, not a southerly, we're getting a northerly gust of wind. Pushing down from the Arctic, whipping around. Look at the rice fields, and there's snow. You can see the snow coming down there. That's snow right there. Snow moving across. Oh no, no, no. Oh, you can see the wind whipping the snow. Breathe in the singularity. Breathe out the singularity. Following in my footsteps back. No, do. Water. It's sore. You know, they're putting all this in here, preparing for the high levels. They have the Japanese. You know that there's going to be tons of water coming down here. I've already seen not a single level, like way up there. Like halfway up there. See where that dark line is right there? So the water's gone. Oh, it's going low. When all the snow melts, it comes down here. It's going to be high. Symbolizes the time before the Big Bang in that stage. Tao is when the seed of the universe started, right? The Big Bang itself. So at the time prior to the Big Bang, there was no time. There was no before the Big Bang. Because in quanta, their particles don't follow the rules of time. The quantum scale, quantum mechanics. Electrons come in and come out, and they move. There's something called supersymmetry and everything else. This is crazy. The quantum scale. There is no time in that stage. The era of time is the Tao. Started with the Tao, and then Du represents the consciousness of the universe, right? Us. Now, there's a consciousness in itself, asking, who am I? That's why the most important question that one can ask is, who am I? See the cloud, the one little bit of blue sky opened up just for me. No, not just for this hour. And here's my little birdies. They always visit me. Hey, hello, girls. Hello. They're like, let me get you some food. Hello. My little friends are hungry. Alright, we'll go to the store and get you some food. We'll get you some food. I'm getting some food. Last year I fed them this time of year. They're like, where's our food? So I gotta get food for them. I'll get you some food, okay? I'll get you some food. I know it's cold. You should come stay at the house. There's a lot of bushes. They're getting that bush right there. What are you doing out here? They're really silly. Really silly little birdies. No. They like the cheapest things to get, I think it's just chicken feed. Eat it, birds will eat it. It's good for them. I gotta make some feeders. I have bird feeders. Into a feeder. Woo! And I'm back. House. Quite the journey. Look at the artwork on the house. Kind of cool. Alright, ending this.